In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix lag and FPS drops in GTA 5 PS4. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go down to your settings, and then you want to go to controls, click on X, and then go down and then copy these exact settings because these are the most optimal for lowering your input lag and also increasing your FPS and making your game smoother overall. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have tap to sprint, and then vibration on, invert look off, third person control type standard, first person control type alternate, third person aiming sensitivity, you want these all maxed out, all of these sensitivities. And then you also want allow movement when zoomed off, switch handbrake with duck off, drive-by control type, aim plus fire, light bar effects on, and then that'll be it for controls. Then for audio, you want to copy these settings. Sound effects volumes, you want this on the default one, so basically 2 ticks to the left after the max. Same with music volume, 2 ticks to the left after the max. Dialogue boost, you want that all the way cranked to the left. Radio station, media player, voice chat, retain radio volume. You want your output to be on headphones, and make sure this is on. And then you want to go to camera, and then copy these exact settings. Allow independent camera modes off, vehicle camera height low, first person auto level camera off, first person on foot field of view, you want that on the 50%. First person ragdoll on, first person combat roll on, basically everything on. Now going down to display, you want to make sure radar's on, HUD is on, weapon target simple, and then you want this all the way to the left. GPS route, you want that on. Expanded radar, you want that off. Player overhead display off. Safe zone size, you want to make sure this is all the way to the max, so make sure that you have it all enlarged. Then you want to go to in-game depth of field effects on, screen kill effects off, subtitles off, and then measurement system metric. Next, you want to go to voice chat, make sure that's enabled. Notifications, copy these exact settings. So phone alerts on, crew updates on, friend updates off, Rockstar service games on, PlayStation Store on, tooltips on, off. Okay. And then message frequency, you want that on 1 minute. And then for this one, looks like that's what you want, load in story mode. I don't think that's an actual setting, but whatever. And then for motion sensor function, you want all these off. And then these are the settings for the most optimal performance for PS4. As you can see, it's super smooth.